Hari Om. We, some students of class 7, are going to conduct a skit. So, let's go.
Grandpa, can you please tell me a story?
Do you know why we are celebrating Navaratri?
Grandpa, is there any story behind Navaratri festival?
Yes, my dear, there is a story behind Navaratri. Long, long ago, there was a demon called Mahishasur. Mahisha means by sun, and he was a demon, so he was called as Mahishasur.
Ha 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 ha! I am Asurka Asur Mahishasur. I am very powerful, so I want to conquer the whole world.
And he started to pray Brahma. It took many years, but finally Brahma had to appear in front of him. This was his boon, and Brahma gave the boon to him. And he thought that no woman can kill him.
No man can kill me. Now I will torture the whole world. Ha ha ha!
And he started to defeat all. And his torture was very painful, and he even started to torture the Lord Vishnu, Shiva, Brahma. They all were very angry, and they created a female energy and named her Durga.
Pranam Devas.
They gave their weapons to Durga. Shiva gave his trident, and Vishnu gave his Sudarshan Chakra, and Brahma gave his Kamandalam with holy water and wisdom, and they gave a lot of weapons and a lion with her to fight against Mahishasur's demon army.
Thank you, Trimurtis, for your divine weapons. Now I should do my duty of which I have meant for. Now I am going to kill Mahishasura.
The war began, and Durga and her lion defeated all demon army of Mahishasur.
Mahishasura! Where are you? Come out!
Now I am here. Now say, who are you?
I am Durga. I was created to kill you, Mahishasura.
You are going to kill me. Ha 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 ha.
Mahishasur! Ah!
They started their fight. The war continued for 9 days, and on the 10th day,
Mahishasur! Ah! Mahishasur! Now you are going to die!
she defeated Mahishasur and killed him. And this was celebrated as Navaratri. All Devis celebrated the 10th day. This is the story behind Navaratri. My dear, he slept off.
Hope you all enjoyed our skit. So, thank you everyone.
नंदिनी नंदित मेधिनी विश्व
Navaratri skit characters: Usha, mother, Krishnadiya S. Meenakshi, elder daughter of Usha, Fida Fatima. Avantika, younger daughter of Usha, Srudiga S. Revati, Usha's neighbor, Ifa Femina.
Navaratri skit. Scene 1. Usha doing houseworks. While Usha is doing houseworks, their neighbor Revati comes. Hi Usha, how's it going here? Seems like you're a little busy.
Oh, hi Revati. Yeah, I am busy in some cleaning.
And what about your Navaratri plans?
Going to start.
And your daughters, where are they? Didn't they come this year too? Or have they settled there? I think we might have forgotten you.
No way. They are my daughters. They will come.
Scene 2. Usha calling her two daughters. Usha calls Meenakshi.
Let me call my daughters. Oh, hello dear. How are you?
I'm fine, Amma. What about you?
Fine dear. When will you come? Have you packed your bags and all?
Packing the bags? What are you talking about?
Aren't you coming for Navaratri?
Navratri? What is that?
Don't you remember when you were young we used to celebrate it and our family members get together?
Too busy right now, Amma. I'll call you later. Bye.
Okay dear. Bye.
Scene 3. Usha calls Avantika.
Let me call Avantika. Hello dear. How are you?
Fine, Amma. What?
Are you coming to celebrate Navaratri here?
I wish, Amma, but there are some works to do.
Oh, okay dear. And today morning our neighbor Auntie Revati came. She told me that you both have settled there and forgot about me and occasions and everything.
Amma, don't hear what others say. We will try to come. Bye, Amma.
Okay dear. Bye.
Scene 4. Avantika calling Meenakshi. Hello sister, how are you? Are we going to our house?
Hi Avantika, I'm fine. Well, I'm not thinking about that right now.
Our neighbor has again started to say slanders about us.
Yeah, she's always like that.
Yes, we can't hurt our mother. So can we go and celebrate Navratri?
Yes, you're right. Let's give Amma a surprise.
Scene 5. The daughters have arrived in India. Surprise!
Surprise!
Oh my god. You both scared me. How are you dears? I will get something to eat. You first go and take a bath and come. Dears, what do you want? Can I take water?
No, Amma, but wait. Can you tell what is Navaratri is?
Sure, dear. It is the festival of goddesses Lakshmi, Durga and Parvati. It is celebrated in 9 days. The first 3 days Parvati, next 3 days Durga and last 3 days Lakshmi. As per in this order, we do pujas.
Now I understand everything.
Oh, nice! Oh my god, you girls came? Why didn't you tell me before, Usha? And anyway, do you girls got anything for me? Yes, of course.
Auntie, I need your special brown sugar payasam.
Of course, dear. I will surely make it for you.
Then I will start making some sweets.
Let's celebrate this Navaratri wonderfully.
Yes, all children should understand what is Navaratri and know about our traditional festivals.
Okay, Amma.
Moral. Nowadays, the new generation's children know about technology, but they are forgetting about our traditional festivals and the importance of festivals in our lives. They are forgetting why these are celebrated, how these are celebrated, and even what a festival is. Thank you. Hari Om.